Welcome to our journey through Guwahati, the largest city in the northeastern region of India. Here, on the edge of the mighty Brahmaputra river, a tapestry of vibrant culture, ancient history and breathtaking landscapes unfolds before us. Situated on the southern bank of this life-giving river, Guwahati is a city pulsing with energy, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people and the captivating allure of its natural wonders. Join us now as we delve into the heart of Guwahati, exploring its bustling streets, serene temples, and the captivating stories they hold. Guwahati sits nestled amongst rolling hills and lush green landscapes, a verdant tapestry woven at the foothills of the eastern Himalayas. Dominating the landscape is the mighty Brahmaputra, its waters a lifeline for the city and a silent witness to its long history. Flowing from the Tibetan plateau, this powerful river carves its way through the heart of Guwahati, shaping its geography and influencing its very rhythm of life. The city experiences a tropical monsoon climate, with the sun's warmth embracing the land for much of the year. Summers are hot, a prelude to the dramatic arrival of the monsoon season, which sweeps in from June to September, drenching the land with life-giving rain. As the monsoon recedes, a gentler climate descends, with mild winters offering respite before the cycle begins anew. Guwahati's historical significance reverberates through the ages, echoing with tales of ancient kingdoms and cultural grandeur. Once known as Pragjyotishpura, the city of eastern lights, its roots reach deep into antiquity. As early as the 4th century, this city stood as a powerful kingdom, its influence stretching far and wide. The passage of time has woven a rich tapestry of cultures here, blending the traditions of the Assamese people with the diverse heritage of numerous tribes and communities who have made Guwahati their home. Today, the city stands as a testament to this vibrant fusion, its streets alive with the spirit of its multifaceted past. Guwahati is a city adorned with architectural marvels and spiritual sanctuaries, each holding a story waiting to be unveiled. High atop the Nilakal Hill sits the Kamakhya Temple, an ancient seat of tantric Shakti worship, drawing pilgrims from across India. Its history is steeped in legend, its atmosphere imbued with reverence and the scent of incense. On Peacock Island, embraced by the Brahmaputra's flow, stands the Umananda Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Reachable only by boat, the journey to this tranquil island temple is a pilgrimage in itself, a chance to connect with the spiritual heart of Guwahati. But the wonders of Guwahati extend beyond its city limit. A short distance away lies Kaziranga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a haven for the endangered one-horned rhinoceros. Chapter 4. A Tapestry of Cultures. Guwahati is a melting pot of cultures, a vibrant blend of ethnicities and traditions. The Assamese people, with their rich heritage and warm hospitality, form the heart of this city, but the rhythm of Guwahati is influenced by a symphony of cultures, from the Bodo people with their unique language and customs, to the numerous indigenous tribes who call this land home. This cultural fusion finds its most vibrant expression in the city's festivals. Bihu, the most important festival of Assam, is celebrated with unparalleled joy and fervor, marking the cycle of agriculture and the rhythm of life itself. Durga Puja, a celebration of the divine feminine, transforms the city into a kaleidoscope of color and devotion. Magh Bihu, a harvest festival, fills the air with the aroma of traditional delicacies and the warmth of community. And Rongali Bihu, the Assamese New Year, ushers in a wave of joyous celebrations, traditional dances, and a renewed sense of hope. Chapter 5. Flavors of the Brahmaputra Valley. The cuisine of Guwahati is a sensory journey, a delightful exploration of flavors that reflect the region's bounty. Rice, the staple food of Assam, forms the foundation of many dishes, accompanied by a symphony of flavors drawn from fresh fish from the Brahmaputra, succulent meat, and a vibrant array of locally sourced vegetables. Assamese thali, a platter overflowing with an assortment of lentil soups, vegetable preparations, and meat or fish curries, offers a delightful introduction to the region's culinary heritage. The tangy and aromatic masor tenga, a sour fish curry, is a local favorite. Its unique flavor a testament to the culinary ingenuity of the Assamese people. Pitika, a simple yet flavorful dish made with mashed vegetables, showcases the use of fresh seasonal ingredients. And for those with a sweet tooth, pithas, traditional rice cakes often filled with jaggery or coconut, offer a delectable treat. Chapter 6. A City on the Rise. Guwahati stands as a beacon of progress in northeast India, its skyline evolving as rapidly as its economy. As the commercial and administrative hub of the region, the city pulses with a dynamic energy driven by trade, manufacturing, and a burgeoning service sector. New industries are taking root, attracted by the city's strategic location and growing workforce. Educational institutions and research centers are flourishing, nurturing a new generation of skilled professionals and contributing to Guwahati's growing prominence as a center of knowledge and innovation. This economic dynamism is transforming the cityscape with modern infrastructure projects, bustling commercial districts, and expanding residential areas reflecting the city's upward trajectory. Chapter 7. Guwahati serves as a vital transportation hub, connecting the northeast region to the rest of India and, the world beyond. Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, which is the busiest airport in northeast India, welcomes flights from major cities across India and abroad. This facilitates trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. Guwahati Junction, the city's main railway station, is a bustling transportation artery, with trains connecting the city to numerous destinations across the country. This vital rail link has played a crucial role in Guwahati's growth, facilitating the movement of people and goods, and solidifying its position as a gateway to the northeast. A network of well-maintained roads and highways further enhances connectivity, linking Guwahati to other cities and towns within Assam and neighboring states. Chapter 8. Balancing Progress and Preservation. Guwahati, like many rapidly developing cities, faces the challenge of balancing progress with preservation. The influx of people seeking opportunities has fueled rapid urbanization, leading to the expansion of the city's boundaries and the construction of new infrastructure. While this development is essential for economic growth and improving living standards, it also presents challenges. Traffic congestion, a common sight in many growing cities, is a concern in Guwahati, particularly during peak hours. The city's vulnerability to floods during the monsoon season requires ongoing efforts to strengthen flood control measures and ensure the safety and well-being of its residents. Sustainable urban planning and development are crucial for ensuring that Guwahati's growth is inclusive, environmentally responsible, and improves the quality of life for all its citizens. Chapter 9. Guwahati After Dark. As the sun sets, Guwahati reveals a vibrant nightlife scene. Cafes transform into cozy spaces where friends gather over steaming cups of chai. Restaurants come alive with diverse cuisines and the aroma of delicious food. Bars and pubs offer a chance to unwind and enjoy live music. Even after dark, Guwahati's markets throb with activity. Fancy Bazaar offers a dizzying array of goods, while Paltan Bazaar buzzes with fresh produce and local delicacies. Chapter 10. The Soul of Guwahati. The true spirit of Guwahati lies in its people, their warmth and hospitality as constant as the flow of the Brahmaputra. Assamese is the most widely spoken language, its melodic cadence filling the streets and markets. The people of Guwahati are known for their welcoming nature, their smiles as genuine as the steaming cups of tea they offer guests. It's a city where ancient traditions coexist harmoniously with modern aspirations. The people are an integral part of Guwahati's charm, their spirit as captivating as the city itself. Outro. Until we meet again, Guwahati. Guwahati, a city where ancient traditions and modern aspirations converge, leaves an indelible mark on the soul. Whether you've explored its ancient temples, felt the spray of the Brahmaputra on a river cruise, or savored the flavors of authentic Assamese cuisine, Guwahati offers an experience that lingers long after you've bid farewell. As the gateway to northeast India, Guwahati invites you to journey deeper into this enchanting region to uncover its hidden treasures and experience the warmth of its people. So until we meet again, may the spirit of Guwahati remain with you, a reminder of the captivating beauty and cultural richness that await those who seek adventure and embrace the unexpected.